Good morning, Blue Maths Group, and welcome to the last maths session of the week. So, as your start of the day today, have you done your dance in twos? If you haven't, then switch me off, pause me, come back to me later, but pop onto YouTube, the link is by here, and do your dance in twos song. That will help you far more than us just practicing our twos all the time. So come back to me. I'm just going to get my groovy moves going now while I'm waiting for you. And when you come back, we'll look at today's maths. Okay, so have you done your dance in twos? Was there lots of disco moves going on? I hope there were. Right, let's have a look then. So if you've done your dance in twos, I think we can probably count in twos now, can't we? So I'm not going to show you the grid today. I'm not going to show you the numbers because I think we're ready to start practicing counting in twos without our grid, especially if you've been singing that groovy song. Okay, so let's see if we can count to 20 in twos. Are you ready? We'll do it together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Did you remember to miss a number, to skip a number? Let's have a look. If you did, that's what you said. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now, do you think we can go any further? I'm going to show you this to help you. 22, 24, 26, 28, and 30. Can we do any more? 32, 34, 36, 38, and 40. Let's see if we can get to 50. 42, 44, 46, 48, and 50. Now, did you notice, did you remember our 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, even numbers, they are great? Did you remember all those numbers have to end in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8? If you did, then you're well on your way to counting in twos really well. Okay, let's have a look and see what we're going to be doing today. So today you have got some grids that I have already sent a sheet home for you with some grids on there. And we have some numbers counted in twos and we need to fill the blanks in. So you can see this one is quite easy. It goes 0, 2, well, we know the rhyme, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, even numbers, they are great. So we know it's going to go 0, 2. What's going to come next? 4, 6, 8. What's going to come after 8? Have a look. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Did you get that one? So all our grids are going to have some numbers in and we've got to figure out where we put what we put in as the missing numbers. So let's look at the next one. This is a bit different because we have some gaps. So we've got 2, then a gap, then 6. What goes in here? 4 goes in there, doesn't it? So then we've got 6, then a gap, then 10. So 6 something 10. You know what it's going to be, don't you? It's going to be 8. Then 10 something 14. So 10 something 14. It's going to be 12. What do you think are going in here? I'm not going to point this time. Shout out which number you think is going in here. 16. And then what number comes after 18 when we're counting in 20s? When we're counting in twos, I think I gave it away then a little bit, didn't I? Yes, it's 20. When we're counting in twos, the next number after 18 is 20. Okay, so let's move on. Oh, this one's a bit more tricky because there's bigger gaps this time. So we've got 6 something something 12. So 6, what's going to come next? See if you can figure this out. I'll give you a little while. Okay, let's have a look and see if you were right. I've put them all in for you. So can you see 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Then when we've done all the ones going up, we just need to work out what's less. So we go backwards, don't we? So we go from 6 to 4. So from 6 to 4 to fill the gap in at the front. Okay, let's try another one. Oh, now this one has just got 2 numbers in the middle. So you're going to have to count forwards and backwards for this one. Have a go, see if you can do it, and then I'll reveal it in a moment. Okay, you ready? Here we go. So on this one, I probably would have started with my counting up because that's easier. So I'd have gone, 18, 20, and I've looked and gone 22, 24, 26, 28. And then I've gone, 18, all right, I need to go backwards now. So when I work backwards, I go from my 8 to my 6, so 16, 14, 12, and 10. Okay, so your task today, here it is on screen. I will just vanish so you can see it all. Your task today is to fill in the gaps. All of these grids are counting in 2s, so you don't have to look for clues. You don't have to figure out how you're counting. They are all counting in 2s. So your job is to fill in the gaps. If you need to use your number square that you coloured in earlier in the week, then that's fine. But hopefully by now, with all your busy dance in 2s, you should be getting really good at knowing how to count in 2s. I hope you have a lovely weekend, and I'll speak to you again next week. Bye for now.